You can see this the train from Vancouver, Washington works. Interesting. You can see this winter vacations getting cozy. You can see. Look at this junk they have. Sprite. Lumber. Same with this one. Coca-Cola. Diet Coke. Minute Maid. Coke Zero. Cherry Coca-Cola. Dr. Pepper. Coke Zero. Is my opinion. You can see holy cow, you can see the train from Pocatello to Vancouver, Washington. This is from Salt Lake City, Utah. Barstow, California. San Bernardino, California.